Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Now I am going to discuss the basic geometric ideas for 6th standard children. Children, before going to the topic, I am going to show parts of a body. See these parts of a body. What are the shapes you are observing in these parts of the body? Okay, it is a circle. Okay, the face around is what? Circle. And here triangle, polygons, and what is this? Lines, parallel lines. So these are the words now we are going to discuss in this basic geometric ideas. Okay, listen children. What shape? A circle. Is it clear? Next, what is the shape? You are having plane. This one is okay. Next, triangle. See this triangle is there, and polygon. This is plane. Now we are going to draw the polygon. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss the lines, which is what? Parallel lines. Okay. Now I am going to draw the parallel lines. Okay. Again, see this. What is this? I can say this to be what? Ray. Okay. Ray. So this is a ray. I will explain you. First, what is a figure? In this figure, what are the shapes? Just I am segregating the shapes here. Okay. Now, so example for lines. Yes. Next, curve. Okay, curves. So these are the shapes I am segregating here. Okay, listen. What is it? It is in which shape? Circle, triangle, parallel. Okay. Next, this is a plane which is having flat surface. Okay, plane is a flat surface. We can extend in the 4 directions. We can extend the plane. Okay, and this is here a, what is it? Polygon. Okay, ray. A starting point you know that, but a ending point we don't know the end part. So it is a ray. Next, this is what? Line. We can extend in both the direction. Suppose this is a dot. Okay, we can denote by a capital letter, a dot. Okay, if I can join the 2 dots like this, then it is said to be a line segment. Okay, the line segment has a definite points. Okay, but what is the difference between the line and the line segment? Line segment is a definite point, but in the line segment, line I can extend in both the direction. From starting point also I can extend, and the end point also I can extend that. That is a line. Actually, line segment is a part of a line. Can you clear this, children? Okay, this is our parts of a body. Now we are going to discuss the definitions. Listen, a point. See what is mean by a point? This is a point. Suppose when I sharp my pencil and in the paper, if I touch that, I can find out that a dot, which is to find out the location of the area. We can find out the dot. We can keep the dot. In our mathematics, a point which is to joining the lines. Okay, and I can denote this by the capital letters. Suppose here I am keeping a dot. What I can do? I can give another alphabet, which is what? B I am giving. Now I can join this two dots. Is it clear? So there is no length for the dot, no breadth as well as no thickness. Now I am moving for the line. Listen, line is a collection of points which can extend in both the direction. For example, I am keeping a dot like this and I am drawing a line like this. I can extend in this direction as well as this direction also. So this is nothing but your line. Actually your A is here and your B is here and C is here. If I can keep a dot like this and I can ends in the both the direction, which is the starting as well as the end direction, I can set to be a line. Got it? And line segment is a part of a line. I said line segment is a part of a line. For example, this is our line. See, which is both sides I can extend this. Line means, for example, listen, A and this is B. So this part is nothing but line segment. Can you clear this, children? Can you clear this? Now ray. Okay, a ray which is having the starting point but there is no end point. We don't know that where it ends. Endlessly in one direction it can move to the, we know the starting point, but endlessly in what? One direction. Okay, there is no end point for that. Simply we can say like this means. For example, I can say sun. Okay, example is sun and your torchlight. Okay, see, it is having the starting point but we don't know the end point for that. Sun and the torchlight. Can you clear this? Shall I move on to the next one? Now listen, plane. Plane is a flat surface and we can extend that in all direction. Plane is a flat surface and we can extend in all direction. So this is, I can set to be what? A plane. Okay, so this is a plane. Got it? Next, intersecting, I can extend. See, listen, I can extend. See, I can extend whatever I want, I can extend. Got it? So this is a flat surface, no thickness, but it can extend endlessly in all direction. Now intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting lines means two lines passes through the same point. See, for example, listen, here this is a two lines. Okay, here one line, another here on line, which is passing through where? Which is passing through the same point. See, this is the point. Now I can set to be what? O. I can give one name for this. A, B, C, D. Okay, two lines are passing through the same point. See, here O is that point. In this O point, this AB and CD are passing through. A good example is for scissor. Can you see the scissor, children? If you see the scissor and you can find out that. So O, that is a good example for intersecting line. And in the alphabet, see, X is in your alphabet, X is also a example for the intersecting lines. Okay, next one I am moving for the parallel lines. See the parallel lines, lines that lie in the same plane, the distance between them is the same. See, listen, for example, if you take the scale, okay, scale, geometrical, you can use a ruler, no? See, if you use a scale, see what is that? It lies in the same plane, but here the distance is what? Equal distance. Okay. We can say for the example is your scale or else a railway track. Have you noticed the railway track? It is a good example for parallel lines. Okay. So, railway track. Train track, railway track, whatever you may be say this. So a parallel lines which is having, see, the distance of this to be what? Equal distance. Lies in the same plane, but distance between them is what? Same. These two lines are never intersect with each other. Got it? Can you understand this, children? Parallel lines are never intersect with each other, but the distance between them are what? Equal distance. Got it? So parallel line. Shall I move on to the next one, children? Collinear. Collinear means a point, whatever M point, A, B or D or E, F, any point which is lying on the straight line. Okay? A point which is lying on the straight line. So this is a straight line, and a point which is what? A, B, C, D, E. So all this A, B, C, D, E are lying in what line? Straight line. So for that it is a collinear point. See here, for the concurrent points, if two points are in the passes through the same point, I said that intersecting. But if two more means what? For example, three or more lines. Three or more lines which passes. Listen. See here one line, and here one more line, and here so see here how many lines are passing through a point. Listen. See, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. That is, I said 3 or more lines passes through the same point, then it is said to be a concurrent lines. If two points are passes through the same point, I can say it is a intersecting lines. But 3 or more lines passes through the same point, then it is said to be what? Concurrent lines. Okay, for example, I am taking this A, B, C, D, E, F and G, H. So these are the lines. That is what? 5 lines are passing through the same point. I said it is said to be what? O. Then it is said to be a concurrent line. Okay. Next we will move on to the open and closed figure. Okay. See, begin from one point. For example, see, begin from one point and end at the another point. For example, I am starting here, line segment. I am drawing one line segment, again one line segment, and again one line segment, and I am stop up to this. Okay, what is the example? What here? I am starting one place, but I end with the another place. So it is a, what is that? It is a open figure. See here, you are having a gap. Okay, listen. Here you are having the gap. So further it is a open figure. For example, I am moving for the closed figure. Listen, see, my starting point is there and I end with that. Then it is a closed figure. Where I start, there I end means it is a closed figure. See that any gap here? No, all these 4 sides are to be covered. Is it or not? Can you understand this, children? So begin one point and end at the same point. So this is your open figure, and this is an example for the closed figure. Can you understand this, children? What is the difference between the open figure and the closed figure? Okay. Next I will move on to the next one, interior and exterior of the closed figure. See, points lies inside. For example, listen, I am going to draw one figure. Listen, for example, I am going to draw a triangle like this. Okay, suppose, listen, it is a dot is lying on the line means it is what? A boundary. Okay, boundary. The dots are there. Suppose inside, for example, A, B, C, these are means what is that? Inside. Okay. Now, suppose here E, F, G, H. So these are the exterior point, interior, and these are the exterior. Okay. Can you understand this? A figure, if it is inside means then it is the interior of the closed figure. If it is outside, it is dot means it is outside, that is exterior. Suppose it is lying on the boundary, for example PQ. See, this is PQRS, are in the boundary of the figure. Can you understand this? What is mean by interior, exterior, boundary? Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Now I am going to discuss polygons, and in our class what are the polygons we are going to discuss, that we are going to read here. Okay. Polygons are a closed figure. Polygons are a closed figure which three or more line segments joined together. Okay. Polygon is a closed figure, three or more line segments to be joined in that. See here some example for the polygon is triangle which is having three sides. Okay, it is a regular polygon. What is mean by regular polygon? And in a polygon, regular and irregular is there. For I am telling about regular and irregular. Listen, for the regular, all the sides are equal and the angles also equal. Okay, if it's not means it is a irregular. Can you understand the difference between the regular and the irregular? Regular means the side as well as the angles are equal. Sides and angles are equal. If it is no means then it is a irregular. Can you understand this? See, triangle, three sides, so for that it is a regular polygon, and regular polygon means the sides as well as the angle to be what? Equal. And quadrilateral, it comes under in rectangle as well as what? Square, rhombus, everything which is having four sides. Okay, here I have taken a square. And pentagon, 5 sides, and for hexagon 6 sides. Okay, octagon you are having 8 sides. If 9 side means then it is a nonagon. Nonagon which is having how many number of sides? 9 sides. 10 sides means decagon. Is it clear? Okay. Can you understand? 5 sides mean pentagon, 6 sides means hexagon, and 8 sides mean octagon, 9 side nonagon, 10 side is decagon. Can you understand this? Now linear and collinear boundaries. What does mean by the linear and collinear boundaries? A linear boundary means which is made up of line segment. Okay, linear means made up of that is straight line. Line segment means what? Straight line. And which is made up of a curved lines, then it is said to be a curvilinear. Okay, listen. Okay, now listen, see which is made, see this figure, it is a square and which is made up of what? A, B, C, D. I can use the capital letters, no small letters, so I can use only the capital letters to mark like this. Okay, see this made up of a straight line, so for that this is what? Linear boundaries. Okay. It is what shape it is? Made up of a curved line. So it is an example for curvilinear. Curvilinear boundaries. Can you understand this, children? See, from the parts of the body, what and all we are discussed. What is the shapes and parallel, intersecting, and curvilinear, and as well the what is mean by open and the closed figures. One second. See, from the parts of the body we have discussed a circle, triangle, parallel and a curved. In this curved we are discussing the open curve as well as the closed curve, ray, and this one is what? A line. Polygons which is what? A line segment. everything we have discussed. Okay, so these are the basic geometrical ideas we are discussed. Okay, any doubt in this, children? Thank you, children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you.